Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll explain you how to highlight and remove duplicate values. This is our raw data, and in this column order ID, duplicate values are there. Select that particular column, go to home menu, go to conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, and in that click on duplicate values and click on OK. Duplicate values got highlighted. To see the list of them, apply filter on it. Go to data menu, filter. Now filter it by color. This is the list of duplicate values. Now next one is how to remove duplicate values. We'll go to next sheet. This is our raw data. To remove duplicate values, go to data menu and click on remove duplicates. Make sure that this option my data has header is selected, otherwise including heading it will remove duplicate values. Click on this and select all. Select the column where duplicate values are available, order number, click on OK. Now see 22 duplicate values were there, everything got removed and 7978 unique values are available now in our table. Click on OK. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching.